is Naizay Mendoza from IE 1204, and at this time, this solving is for my physics. So last sem on our midterm topics, I chose this projectile motion. So this is the problem that I'm going to answer. A projectile is launched from point O at an angle of 24 degrees with an initial velocity of 24 meters per second upon an inclined plane that makes an angle of 8 degrees with the horizontal. The projectile hits the inclined plane at point M. These are the required. A. Find the time it takes for the projectile to hit the inclined plane, and B. Find the distance of O and M. So, first of all, these are the graph of the problem. So this is the point O and this is the point M. And this is the angle 24 degree and this is the angle of 8 degree. So before that, of course, we're going to write down the given first. So for letter A, so these are the given. So for angle, we have 24 degree plus 8 degree. Ipag-a-add na po natin sila. So 24 plus 8 is 32 degree. And then we have the initial velocity, which is 20 meter per second. So after that, for x, we're going to use initial velocity cosine angle times t, and for y, we're going to use initial velocity times sine angle times t minus 1/2 times acceleration times t squared. So the relationship between the coordinate x and y on the incline is given by this. Tan 8 degree is equals to y over x. So we just have to substitute the x and y. Which is tan 8 degree, yung y, which is VO sine angle t minus 1/2 g t squared all over VO cos angle t. Yan. And then, simplify to obtain the equation in t. Isi-simplify natin siya para ma-obtain natin yung equation ng t, which is the time. So, we can give this, dito yung 1/2 g t plus VO cosine angle tan 8 degree minus VO sine angle is equals to 0. So now we have to solve for t. So solve for t. This t is equals to VO sine angle minus VO cosine angle tan 8 degree all over. Yung 1/2 po, this time we're going to yung 1/2 is iti-turn natin into a decimal point, which is 0.5 ang kanyang katumbas. So 0.5 times g, which is acceleration. Yan, para hindi na rin po tayo mahirapan. So ayun, continuous lang po yung pagsagot natin for t. So after nun, substitution lang po. So sa VO, we have 20, and then sine, yung angle po is we know is 32 degree, and then minus 20 ulit for VO, then cos, yung angle is 32 ulit, 32 degree, then times tan 8 degree all over 0.5 times ang value po ng ating acceleration is 9.8. Ayan. So ayun lang, continuous lang. So ang 20 sine 32 is 10. Mas okay na pong ilalagay po natin lahat ng decimal point during process para sa pinaka-final answer is mas malapit po yung ating, pwede tayo din gumamit ng decimal point, pero at least sa point na yon, sa point ng final answer, mas malapit or mas precise yung ating answer. Basta during the process, mas okay po na isa-cite natin, isusulat natin lahat ng decimal point. So yun, 10.59 83852 Minus, dito tayo sa 20 cos 32 degree. So, 16. Open parenthesis, 16.96096.192. And then, tan 8 degree for 0. Open parenthesis ulit, 0.140540.834 all over 0.5 times 9.8, 4.9. Then ito po, copy the 59, 10.59, 83, 85, 28 minus, so ito pagta-times ang 16.96096.192 times 0.140540834. So we have minus 2.383707734 all over 4.9. So 10.59838528 minus 2.383707734 is 8.214677546 over 49 divided by 4.9, which is 1.676464.805. Or simply, pwede na tayong gumamit po ng decimal point na 1.68 seconds. So, T is equals to 1.68 seconds. So, at this point po, we have the value of T. Alam na natin yung time na nagamit for the projectile to hit the inclined plane. So, now, let's move on to B, which is find the distance of O and M. So, for B, for the distance, para makuha natin yung distance ng O and M, we're going to use this formula, which is VO cos angle T squared plus VO sine angle T minus 1/2 G minus T squared. Ayan po. So, continuous lang. Substitution na tayo, which is, so ang VO is 20 pa din, then cos, then 32 degree, then, that's time is to, yung T natin, which is 1.68, then squared. Oh, yan. And then, plus VO, which is 20 sine 32 degree times 1.68 minus yung 1/2 po is of course 0.5 times 9.8. It's minus minus T squared, which is 1.68 squared. Ayan. And then, ang 20 cos 32 degree ay, so ito, 20 cos 32 degree times 1.68 squared ay 47.5 87061893 then plus 20 sine 32 times 1.68 is 17 plus 17 805 to 8728 then minus 0.5 times 9.8 and it did minus right times 1.68 squared is 13,82,976. So, para makuha po natin ang distance ng O and M, O to M, is 47.87061893 plus 17.805 to 8728 minus 13.82976 is equals to 51.84614,621 or OM is equals to 51.85 meters. Ito na po ang ating distance para sa O and M. So, to my final topic is about friction, and this is under Newton's second law. So the problem is, a car mass 1.2 tons is traveling along a straight horizontal road at a speed of 20 meters per second. When it brakes sharply, then skids. Friction brings the car to rest if the coefficient of friction between the tires and road is 0.8. Calculate the A, the deceleration, B, the distance traveled by the car before it comes to rest. So, this is the sketch or the graph na nangyari, which is, ito po yung car, and ito yung force niya, and then yung R for the normal contact force. So, this sketch shows the forces acting on the car when it's skidding. So, since the vertical forces are in equilibrium, so the R is equals to 1,200 grams. So, ito po ay, wait, given po muna pala. Sorry. So, given is, R is 1,200 grams, and then, ano ba? Speed is 20 meter per second. Ayan. So, since the car is skidding, ito po yung formula natin. Formula na gagamitin natin is F is equals to and R. So, 0.8 ay meron pa pala 0.8 na given, which is yung okay, yung coefficient force, coefficient of friction pala, coefficient of force. Yan. So, formula, solution ay for F for friction, ito po. So, 0.8 times 1,200 grams. So, we have 0.8 times 1 is 9. Wait. Is 960 Newton. So, the friction F caused deceleration A, which is given by Newton's second law. So, para makuha natin yung deceleration or yung A, ito po ang gagamitin natin formula. Formula for A or for the deceleration is force is equals to ma, which is mass and acceleration. So, dahil po A ang hinahanap natin, so ito ay F, ang F natin is ay 960 is equals to yung M, which is gram, ay yan, G. Then, A. So, para po mahanap natin yung A is ito. I-divide both sides sa 1,200 gram. And then, sa 1,200 gram. Cancel. So, ang matitira is A is equals to 960 divide all over 1,200. So, it is equals to 960 divided by 1 to 0.8. 0.8 meter. Ito po yung deceleration. Then, so now that the deceleration is known, this equation of motion can be used to find the distance that the car traveled. So by using this equation, which is v squared is equals to u squared plus 2as, which is with the initial, which is u, is equals to 20 meters squared, and v is equals to 0 meter squared, and acceleration a is 0.8 meter squared. So, substitute, v squared is 0 squared is equals to u, 20 squared plus 2 times a, which is 0.8 s. So, we have 2 times 0.8 is 1.16. So 1.16 s. Then 20 squared is 400. So para divided by both sides by 400. So cancel, then s is equals to wrong. It should be the other way around. So here we're gonna, so 1.6 s, then 400, it should be 1.6 is the divisor. So yan, cancel. So s is 400 divided by 1.6 is 250. Is 250 meter. 250 meter the car travels before coming to rest. Before coming to rest. So that's it. Thank you.